好 means good, but what do 好的、好吧、好呀 and 好了 mean? What's the difference? 好的 means okay, got it. For example, your boss said, 明天9点开会. We have a meeting at 9 a.m. tomorrow. You reply, 好的, okay, got it. 好的 is often used in formal situations, such as at work. 好吧 means alright. It shows that you agree, but it's not your first choice. For example, you invite your friend to watch a movie this weekend. She said, 这个周末我没时间. I don't have time this weekend. You reply, 好吧 alright. It means you understand, but you feel a little disappointed. 好呀 means saying yes in a happy and relaxed way. For example, your friend said, 晚上去看电影怎么样? How about watching a movie tonight? You can say, 好呀 sure, sounds good. So, as you can see, 好的、好吧 and 好呀 all mean yes, but they have different feelings. 好的 is neutral and it's often used in formal situations. And 好吧 means you agree, but it's not your first choice. And 好呀 means you are happy to say yes. Finally, let's talk about 好了. 好了 means done or all set. For example, 你准备好了吗? Are you ready? 好了 it means I'm ready. To sum up, 好的 means okay, got it. And 好吧 means alright. 好呀 means sure, sounds good. And 好了 means done or set.